To Parade Academy dear students, so today we will discuss the geography. This is a standard 7 and this is chapter 3 and this is the changing phase of the earth. Okay, so every day I just uploaded one video for you. Then I hope you just subscribe, like my channel. Okay, let's go to the topic. One by one question answer discuss in this video. Okay, let's come to the topic. So this is your first milestone, you can check it. The process that act in the interior of the earth are called exonic process. False. Then secondary waves are also called longitudinal or P waves. False. The earthquakes are measured from 0 to 9 on the Richter scale. True. Then river of frozen ice moving down a valley is called glacier. True. Then come to the question book question answer. This is your multiple choice question answer. First is, which of the following is not an erosional feature of sea waves? This is beach. The depositional material of a glacier is moraine. Then which among the following is caused by sudden movement of the earth? Volcano. Then mushroom rocks are found in deserts. Then now come to the your matching. Glaciers, a river of ice. Meanders is zigzag motion. Beach is seashore. Sand dunes is desert. Waterfall is upper course. Earthquake, vibration of the earth. Okay, you just pause this video and write your answer. Then next is very short type, long type. We'll write in this copy. You can pause again your video and write your answer. Okay, one by one I just show you the question and answer. How are beaches formed? Beaches are formed by the deposition of sand and other materials like gravel and pebbles, which are brought down by waves along the seashore. Okay, next question is, how are food plains formed? Plains are formed in the middle course of the river. The gradient becomes almost flat, hence the downward erosion takes place. More of the river's energy is directed from the side by side. Then this next question is question number 3. Name the 3 broad categories of a plate movement. The broad categories of a plate movement are convergent, divergent and transformed. The next question is, what is the focus of an earthquake? The place inside the earth where the earthquake originates is called the focus of an earthquake. The next question, what are exogenic and endogenic forces? Exogenic and endogenic forces. The forces that act in the interior of the earth and cause for earthquake, volcanic eruptions or folding and faulting are known as endogenic forces, while the force which act on the surface of the earth are called exogenic forces. Example, work of river, wind and glaciers. Then short answer type question, this is D. Differentiate between focus and epicenter. The place inside the earth where the earthquake originates is called a focus, while the place directly above the focus on the earth's surface is called an epicenter. Okay, The next question is, why is the state of magma considered as molten? The state of magma considered as molten due to great pressure and temperature inside the earth. Then next question, this is question number 3. Give reasons for each of the following. First is, on the earth crust mountains, plateaus, plains, etc. are found. So then B number is, the rivers are swept at their sources and slow down in their middle and old courses. So what are they? So we'll discuss one by one. So first is question number A. It is due to the exogenic and endogenic forces that upgrade or degrade the surface of the earth with the help of the natural agents and form these features. Then question number B. The rivers are fastest at their sources because the gradient of the land or the slopes are steep. That is why the water along the stream flows downwards with very high speed. While flowing with high speed, the river erode and break rocks and take the debris along with them. After reaching the plain, they start depositing the materials. The slope of the landmass reduces, and that's why the rivers become slower and steady in their middle and lower stages. Okay. The next is long answer type question. This is your long answer type question. First question is, what are earthquake waves? Define each one of them. So first is, earthquake waves are the seismic waves that are present beneath the earth's surface and cause tremors on the surface of the earth. The different type of seismic waves are, first is, what are the waves? Primary waves. Primary waves also called the longitudinal P waves. These are the faster moving waves. These moves in a forward and a backward motion and are the fast to reach the surface of the earth. These can travel through any type of medium, solid as well as liquid. Okay. Then secondary waves. What is the secondary waves? Secondary waves also called the transverse or S waves. There are the second waves to reach the station. Their movement is similar to the movement of a snake. These cannot travel through liquids. Okay. The next point is long waves. This is the long waves. So long waves also called Rayleigh waves or L waves. These are produced by the interaction of Planck's waves. These originate from the epicenter and causes the maximum damage. The next question is, to name 3 external processes and briefly explain their work of transportation. Okay. First is, the 3 external processes are running water, wind and waves. The action of all these external processes are erosion, weathering and deposition. When the debris of the weathering is carried to a distant area, deposited many landforms are formed. The agents may drag the debris along the ground called abrasion. The next, sometimes they may block the softer rocks and carry the action for transportation, and sometimes may wash away the entire region through which they are passing. अर्थक्वेक जब होता है कभी कभी कुछ एरिया को ख़राब कर देता है, नहीं तो कभी कभी पूरा एरिया ख़राब हो जाता है. सो यहीं तक था. दिस इज़ द एंड. सो आई होप You must try to increase my subscribers, and I hope you love this video, and this video helps you to write your homework in copy, and also you just read for your exam. Okay.